At the very onset, let me emphasize the fact that how the government's negligence is. And today, the Supreme Court is also endorses the same. See, the part of the hospital and the government is outrageous, and this is carelessness and distressing. And I think this is same equally happened in Maharashtra as well, because in Maharashtra also, if you see, the cases are crossed more than 1 lakh. And absolutely, completely negligent of Maharashtra government also, and they are completely busy in a blame game. And patients are battling for the bed, patients are battling for the medicines. There are no ambulance in Mumbai. Mumbai is an international city. But the unfortunate part is, now Mumbai's numbers are crossed more than China. The Mumbai and Maharashtra has crossed more than 1 lakh positive patients Yesterday's numbers are this. So somehow, whether it is Delhi government or whether it is Maharashtra government, this government should be sincere about it. They are still not sincere, because likewise, as you said, in Delhi, there are how they treated to the dead bodies. Equally, in Maharashtra government also, if you see the Sion Hospital, KM Hospital, and those hospitals also, patients and the dead bodies are treated very badly, very inhuman, and which is unfortunate. Government should be sincere about it. And in Mumbai and Maharashtra, there are 90% clinics of the doctors are still closed, and government is not doing anything about it.
Absolutely, and that's a question, Chetan, I also wanted to bring you in and ask you. The BMC run Jogeshwari Trauma Hospital performed the last rites of a patient without informing the family about it, and there were at least 6 such cases that happened. Yesterday, BMC shut down Mumbai's largest private laboratory at a time when, like Ram Kadam is saying, 1 lakh plus cases are there in Maharashtra. How is it the government in Maharashtra, and this is pan-India, going to be dealing with COVID if you are continuing to go on with this, not having anything in mind to deal with the situation?
Rhythm, there have been gaps, and whenever these gaps have surfaced, we know that the administration and the chief minister has immediately taken an action, and you know that people have been transferred, even the commissioner level too. Now these are the extraordinary time. And during these extraordinary time, extraordinary efforts, extraordinary collaboration is required. We all know across the country, Epidemic Act is in place. When epidemic acts are there, the states have got very limited power. How many states are there with opposition? You can count in one hand. So where you look at the Harshvardhan ji. Harshvardhan ji has never tweeted anything, has never done Twitter live of any kind of health issue, but he has done the Twitter live of the rally in Bihar, the election rally which is taking place. So you look at the Union Health Minister. So I really want to understand what is happening right now. Why there are so many lives? Why there's a compromise with the health safety, health health of the people? See, like before.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.